all, welcome to Sri Yada Cotton House. In this video we will be showing you some very comfortable office wear items. So these items are pure cotton sets and these are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.sriyadacottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Now let's check on to the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a soft cotton set. You will be getting a complete embroidered pattern all over the top. Okay, all these are complete embroidered pattern, and you will be getting a simple patchwork in the yoke portion, printed patchwork in the yoke portion. Okay, it's a dark red color, soft cotton top with a complete embroidered work. This is how the top looks. Okay. It's a red color soft cotton top with a complete embroidered pattern with the printed patchwork in the yoke portion, and also you'll be getting a patchwork in the daman as well. Okay, so this is how the top looks. The embroidered comes only in the front portion. The back will be plain, and it's paired with the soft cotton bottom, printed soft cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and you will be getting a very comfortable printed soft cotton dupatta. Very lengthy and a very comfortable soft cotton dupatta. Okay. So this is how the dupatta looks. A beautifully printed soft cotton dupatta. So all these are a soft cotton set. The top is also cotton, dupatta bottom, everything is cotton. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at $850 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 colors. This is the first color. So the next is mustard yellow. Okay. So this is how the color looks, and this is how the embroidery you will be getting. This is how the patchwork you will be getting in the yoke portion. The fabric is soft cotton. So this is how the top looks. Very comfortable mustard yellow color soft cotton top with a complete embroidered pattern in the yoke portion and also in the daman. This is the front portion and this is the back side. Okay, and you will be getting a printed bottom with this. This is the bottom, and you will be getting a completely printed soft cotton dupatta. So this is a very lengthy dupatta. Okay, completely printed soft cotton dupatta. You will be getting print only in the center portion. The side portions will be plain. Okay, only in the center portion you will be getting the printed work. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at $850 with free shipping. So the next is blue color, dark navy blue color this is. Okay. This is how the top looks. It's a dark navy blue colored soft cotton top, the complete embroidered pattern all over the top, and you will be getting a patchwork in the daman and in the yoke portion, and it's paired with a printed bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting. So this is also a pure cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta, very comfortable soft cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is the overall view of the set. So this set is priced at $850 with free shipping. So the next is dark mehendi green color. So this is how the top looks. It's a completely completely embroidered soft cotton top with the patchwork in the yoke portion and also in the daman, and it's paired with a printed bottom and a printed dupatta. So this set is priced only for $850. So don't miss it. This is how the set looks. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a very beautiful item. So this is how the top looks. It's a multicolored printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting sequence work in between the top. Okay, in between you will be getting the sequence work. and also you'll be getting a fancy buttons in the yoke portion. So this is a very beautiful item. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Such a beautiful piece, completely printed, multicolored printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting sequence work in between the top, and also you will be getting a gotapati lace work in the daman. So this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, plain soft cotton bottom this is, and you will be getting a very beautifully embroidered chiffon dupatta. Okay, you will be getting a multicolored embroidered work. Okay, the full dupatta has got an embroidered pattern, and also you will be getting tappings on all the four sides. Such a beautiful piece this is. Dupatta will be very soft and comfortable to wear. So this is how the set looks. It's a multicolored printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting a contrast plain cotton bottom and a completely embroidered chiffon dupatta, priced only at $925 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 combination. Almost the top will be same for all the items, just the bottom and dupatta will varies. Okay, so this is the next color combination. This is the top. You will be getting a multicolored prints in the top, and you will be getting a light lemon yellow color dupatta and bottom with this. So this is how the top looks. It's a completely multicolored printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting a sequence work in between the top, and it's paired with a light lemon yellow color plain cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta. Very beautiful color this is, light lemon yellow color. Okay, with a complete embroidered pattern. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at $925 with free shipping. So this is the next combination. It comes with a blue colored sky blue colored bottom and dupatta. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Okay, so this is how the top looks, completely printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting a sequence work all over the top. And this is the bottom. You will be getting plain blue color soft cotton bottom this is, and this is the dupatta, completely embroidered soft chiffon dupatta. So this is how the entire set looks, priced only at $925 with free shipping. So we have got one more combination in this, that's with the peach color. Okay, light peach color bottom and dupatta. This is the top. Very pretty item actually this is. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a light peach colored plain cotton bottom with this, and this is the dupatta, completely embroidered soft chiffon dupatta, priced only at $925 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next set. Next set is also a soft cotton item, but a very beautiful item this is. So this is how the top look. It's a black colored completely printed soft cotton top, and you will be getting an embroidered work in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting a fancy buttons in the yoke portion as well. And let me open and show you. Okay, so in this we have got 2 colors. One is black and one is navy blue. So the one right now I am showing you is black color. Okay, so this is how the top looks. You will be getting an embroidered work in the yoke portion. So these are all complete embroidered work, and the remaining everything are printed work. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a very beautifully printed bottom with this. This is the bottom. You will be getting white color completely floral printed bottom, and you will be getting a white color completely floral printed dupatta. Okay, such a lengthy dupatta this is, and also a very pretty dupatta. The complete dupatta has got a floral prints. So this is how the dupatta looks, and this is how the whole set looks. Such a beautiful piece, priced only at $850 with free shipping. In this we have got one more combination, that's navy blue with white color combination. Both looks almost same, so while placing your order please make sure which color you are placing. Okay, so this is the next color. It's a navy blue with white color combination. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Only in the yoke portion you will be getting the embroidery, remaining everything will be printed work. Okay, and this is the bottom. You will be getting printed bottom, and this is the dupatta, very beautifully printed. soft cotton dupatta. Such a beautiful piece, don't miss it. Priced only at 850 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope everyone liked the collections what I have shown you. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.